Most of you people will be like, I don't ride every jet ski, Kevin. How am I supposed to know? Well, that's why morons like me exist. All right? Here's the other thing. There's such things as clubs. Join a club. Join a club. And you want to know why? Say, hey, listen, if you got a little piddlywink or a little spark or whatever you're riding, and you go, hey, I got a question. How does that ski ride? Are you happy with it? And the guy that you're talking to goes, man, I bought it last year and I'm absolutely tickled with it. You want to ride it? Here, please don't crash it, but go ahead and check it out. Oh, okay, great. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Or just ask him. A lot of people might not, let's say, a lot of people might be like, I don't really know you from Adam, so I don't really want you riding my ski. Okay, fine. But tell me how it rides. Tell me what your feelings are. Okay, great. Does it jive with what Kevin says? Does it jive with Green Hulk? Does it jive with the other reviews? Oh, okay. Or are you more tickled with all the crap that it does? All the little flashing lights and the little baubles and the, digital screens and all that other crap. Okay. And if you don't belong into a club, you can go on to groups. You can go on to greenhulk.net. You can go on to Facebook and ask a group and say, hey, guys, I'm looking at buying one of these. I've been doing my homework. What do you think? And that will sometimes you'll get, that's the worst case scenario because, boy, the internet sucks. But you might get some honest answers. That's just kind of how it is. So, again, you got to do your due diligence. Now, when it comes to comfort, go to a dealership and sit on one. The nice thing is that most skis don't change very often. So you might be like, well, this isn't the trim or this isn't the bells and whistles or the package that I'm looking for, but at least I can sit on it and see if I fit the dang thing. Okay, great. Do your due diligence. Go to a dealership and go, can I just sit on the damn thing and see if it fits me? And you sit on it and your knees are clanking into the, the seat's really wide. And you're like, I don't like the seat at all. Or that it's got a really high, it's got like a backrest that's pushing you forward. And you're like, dude, the handlebars are in my chest and, oh, this thing sucks. Okay, great. Now you've done some good homework. Do some homework. All it takes. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.